Welcome to our channel. In this session, we are going to discuss about one more example of calculating time complexity by using step count mechanism. Here observe A is equal to 0, just one initialization, I is equal to n. Anyway, we don't know the value of n. So, I is equal to, suppose assume if n is equal to some 30. What is the value of I? I is equal to 30. Now, how many number of times the loop is repeated? 30 greater than 0. 30 greater than 0. Inside the loop, what happened? Each and every iteration, this I value is added to A, and at the same time, each and every iteration, I value becomes half. See, I is equal to I by 2. Suppose my assumption is n is equal to some 30. What is the value of A? A is equal to initially 0 plus 30. A value is equal to 30. Now what about I value? I is equal to 30 by 2. I value becomes some 50. In the next iteration, 30 plus 15, 45. Here I value becomes some 7. Next iteration, 45 plus 7, some 52. I value half. Next iteration, 55. I value becomes 1, and so on. Got it? Suppose here if you observe carefully, each and every iteration, my I value becomes half. That is after k number of iterations. What is your I value? Simply n by 2 power k. Observe, this is the equation similar to right shift operation. For every right shift operation, the value becomes half. Suppose if you want to perform shift by k number of times, n is my original number. If you want to shift by k times, simply by 2 power k. Anyway, observe, what is n value? 30. Suppose if you want to shift or if you want to divide some 3 times. So 2 cube. 2 cube means 8. 30 divided by 8. So you are getting answer like this. Now if you know this equation, what is this one? This is the value of I. Similarly, we written 2 power k is equal to n, and finally k is equal to log n. This is the time complexity. Observe carefully. Why log n occur? Because each and every time the value becomes half. So instead of comparing all the n, here A is updated for half number of editions only. First to 30 is added, next to 15, next to 7, next to 3, and so on. So after k number of iterations, my n value becomes this one, n by 2 power k. Suppose if n by 2 power k is equal to, what is that one? I. Simply 2 power k is equal to n into I. I is not at all required. K is equal to log n. This is the time complexity for this algorithm. Okay, that is the example. Thank you.